Hello friends, welcome to Trio Dream World. In this video, we will learn the basic of report writing. हम इसमें सबसे पहले देखेंगे व्हाट इज़ रिपोर्ट राइटिंग, फिर हम देखेंगे फॉर्मेट ऑफ रिपोर्ट राइटिंग और एंड पे हम ये देखेंगे एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिपोर्ट राइटिंग। तो बगैर वक्त ज़ाया किए अब बढ़ते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। जी हाँ फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट इज़ रिपोर्ट? A report is a clear and concise document which is written for particular purpose and audience. Please note the three important parts of definition here. Clear means it should possess and clarity, and concise. Concise means it should be of shorter length. Generally it is 200 words, but it is depend on the question. Purpose means it is written for certain information. It may be regarding an event and incident. It is meant for particular person. The report may be written for school magazine or journals or newspaper. Please remember the definition of report. Now there are some important points of report writing. Number 1, it must be written for past tense. Number 2, we don't use the first person in writing report. That is I, me, such pronouns are not allowed. We try to use third person. Number 3, we use indirect speech while writing a report. Number 4, use passive voice while writing a report. It seems the point you must have the knowledge of tense, first person, second person and third person point of view, direct indirect speech and active passive voice while writing a report. Let's understand the format of report. First, draw a rectangular box. Please note it is not necessary to draw a box. In the first line, in the middle, please write the heading of the report in capital letter. The heading contains the event name. After that, in the right hand corner, write reported by or by name of the reporter and designation if any. In the left hand corner, write the place of report and below that write the date which date the report are written. After that comes the body of the report. Body of the report is divided into three parts: introduction, main content and conclusion. In the introduction, the first line, answer the questions in the sequence: what is the event, who conducted it, when what is conducted and where was it conducted. In the second line, answer the question why it was conducted, and in the third line you can write the participant or volunteer of the participant of the year. If you fulfill this, your introduction will be completed. Now coming to the second paragraph, that is main content. Here you have write how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. And the third one, write the conclusion. Here you have the summarize end of the event with the positive note. If you notice closely, you in the first paragraph you read what, who, when, where and why. And second paragraph you need to answer how it was high. Please remember this. If you have any difficulty writing a report, please note that this is the complete format of the report writing. There are some variation and position of reported by, place, date. Concentrate on the three topics: reported by, place and date. These are very important. अगर आपको मज़ीद किसी भी बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए या कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको चाहिए तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको एक वेबसाइट का लिंक मिल जाएगा जहां पर जाकर आपको कंप्लीट नोट्स और तमाम इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी। ओके गाइस, अल्लाह हाफिज़।
और तेरी अंबरां दा मून सुन ले, जट्टी तेरी खोज हुण सुन ले। खिच मेरी फोटो तो खिच मेरी फोटो तो खिच मेरी फोटो पिया। डरस दा जापे तू फ्रूट सोनिए लगे किसे नी लग तेरा पतला जया।